Welcome to my video, Introduction to Magnetism. In this video, I introduce the basic ideas of magnetism, one of the fundamental forces of nature and a key component of modern technology, from electric motors and generators to compasses. Magnetism is a force that originates from moving electric charges. At the microscopic level, it's caused by electrons in motion within atoms. Because of this shared origin, magnetism and electricity are not separate phenomena, but are two aspects of a single interaction known as electromagnetism. Each electron acts like a tiny magnet due to its spin and orbital motion around the nucleus. In many materials, these tiny magnetic effects point in random directions and cancel each other out. As a result, most substances do not exhibit noticeable magnetism. In ferromagnetic materials such as iron, atoms are grouped into regions called magnetic domains. Within each domain, atomic magnetic moments are aligned. When many domains line up in the same direction, the magnetic material becomes magnetized. Every magnet has two poles, called north and south. Like poles repel each other, while opposite poles attract. No matter how small a magnet is cut, both poles always remain. Isolated magnetic poles, called monopoles, have never been observed. Magnetic forces act through magnetic fields, which extend outward from magnets in the surrounding space. A magnetic field describes how a magnet influences its environment. The magnetic field is strongest near the poles, where the field lines are most concentrated. By convention, magnetic field lines emerge from the north pole of a magnet and enter the south pole. Only certain materials respond strongly to magnetic fields. Iron, nickel, and cobalt are ferromagnetic because their atomic structure allows magnetic domains to form and align. Other materials respond weakly or not at all. Earth produces its own magnetic field, similar to that of a giant bar magnet. This field is generated by electric currents in the planet's molten outer core. The Earth's magnetic field allows compasses to work and help shield the planet from charged particles from space. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted discovered that an electric current can produce a magnetic field. This experiment showed that electricity and magnetism are directly connected. This principle is the basis for electric motors, generators, and electromagnets. Magnetism originated from moving charges and is described by using magnetic fields. Magnetic forces act through space, not direct contact. Electricity and magnetism together form the foundation of electromagnetic theory. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos from the world of science and mathematics.